solve the exercise 3.5. This exercise 3.5 includes that reducing equations to simpler form. Here directly I am going to solve the exercise. I am writing the questions also. No need to display the questions here. Small questions are there. So I am writing questions and even the solution. Here we are just reducing the equation to the simpler form, or we are finding the value of the x. Okay. Exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. The first problem. Solve the following linear equations. Solve the following linear equations. Okay. Now the first one, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now see here, x by 2, this will take this side, transposing method, minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 will take that side, minus 1 by 5. Now see here, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3s are 3, 2s are 3 into x is 3x minus 2x is equal to, here LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 4 5s are 5, 4s are 5 1s are 5 minus 4 1s are 4. Now 3x minus 2x is x by 6 is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1 by 20. Now this implies that x is equal to 1 by 20. This is division. When it goes that side, it will be multiplication. So 2 3s are 2 10s are. So this implies that x is equal to 3 by 10 is the answer. If you want, you can verify this answer. First problem, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. See here, x by 2, this x by 3 will bring this side. We just correct the like terms, x, and this 1 by 5 will take that side. So this x by 3 will come this side. Now that is minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. This minus 1 by 5 will go that side. That will become plus 1 by 5. See here, 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So 2 3s are 3, 2s are 3x minus 2x is equal to LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So 4 5s are 5, 4s are 5 1s are 5 plus 4 1s are 4. So 3x minus 2x is x divided by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 by 20. So this implies that x is equal to 9 by 20 into 6. 2 3s are 2 10s are. So this implies that x is equal to 27 by 10. This is what the answer of equation. Okay. Then next one, second problem. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Is equal to 21. Now LCM of these 3. What is the LCM of 2, 4, 6? See, in the working column, if you want, you can take like this. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 1s are 3. 3, 1, 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So what is the LCM? LCM is 12. 2 6s are 4 3s are 6 2s are 6n minus 3 3s are 9n plus 5 2s are 10n is equal to 21. So 10n plus 6n 16n. 16 minus 9 is 7n. 7n is equal to 7n by 12 is equal to 21. So 7n is equal to 21 into 12 into 12. So this implies that n is equal to 21 into 12 divided by 7. 7 will go down. So 7 ones are 7 threes are. So this implies that n is equal to 12 threes are 36. This is what method of solving the problem. Then the next problem, that is third problem. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 6. See here, this is x minus 8x by 3. This minus 5x by 6 we bring this side, that is plus 5x by 6 is equal to 7 will take that side, that is 17 by 6 minus 7. If you want, you can take here as 1. Now here, what is the LCM? 6 is the LCM. 1 6s are 3 2s are 6 1s are 6x minus 16x plus 5x is equal to, what is the LCM here? 6. 6 1s are 1 6s are 17 minus 42. 17 minus 42. Now this implies that 5x plus 6x 11x minus 16x 11x minus 5x by 6 is equal to, see here, 42 minus 17. 42 minus 17. Here minus 25. Why minus 25? Bigger number sign will come. 6. So both the sides, 6 6 is there, we can cancel it, or both the sides you can multiply by 6. So what happens? Minus 5 by 6 into 6 is equal to minus 25 by 6 into 6. Cancel. So minus 5x is equal to minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25 by minus 5. Minus by minus plus, 5 ones are 5. So this implies that x is equal to 5. So the value of x is 5. So this is what method of solving the problems. X equal to 1 plus 5 Now the fourth problem, x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. Okay. Now this implies that, just we will do the cross multiplication. What happens? 5 into bracket x minus 5 is equal to 3 into bracket x minus 3. So this implies that 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. I think you understood how I have done. 5 into x, 5 into 5, 3 into x, 3 into 3. Okay. Next, 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. So 2x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 ones are 2 8s are 8. Finished. Very simple. The same way, the next one, that is fifth problem, that is 3t minus 2 by 4, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay. Now see the fifth problem. This is given problem. Okay. Here what I have done, this is t I have taken this side. Minus t will become here plus t. 2 by 3 remained as it is. Then here the LCM of all 3, 4, 3, 1 is 12. Then 4 3s are, 3 4s are, 1 12s are, 3 3s are 90, 3 2s are 6, then 4 2s are 80t minus 12, then 12t is equal to 2 by 3. Then on simplification we get, see 90 minus t, 1t, 1t plus 12t, 13t, minus 6 minus 12 minus 18, 12 as it is, 2 by 3. Then what happened? This 12 will go that side, that is multiplication. Here division, when it goes that side it will be multiplication. 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 4 2s are, 8 here. 13t minus 18, 13t equal to 8 plus 18, because here minus, when it goes that side it will become a plus. So 13t equal to 26, t equal to 26 divided by 13 is equal to t equal to 2. Then the next problem, m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So here LCM of these two is 2. Okay, 1 2s are, 2 1s are. Here 2m minus m plus 1. Here minus into minus plus 1. Here LCM of these two is 3. So 1 3s are, 3 1s are 3 minus m minus. Here it will become plus 2 divided by 3. Here see 2m minus m is m plus 1 as it is 2. Here 3 plus 2 is 5 minus m divided by 3. Now 3 cross multiplication, 3 will come here, 2 will go there. 3m plus 1, 2 into bracket 5 minus m. 3m plus 3, 2 5s are 10, 2 minus 2m. So 2m, this 3m, this 2m will come this side plus 2m, 5m it is 10, this minus 3, 3 will come this side, that is minus 3, 10 minus 3 is 7. So m is equal to 7 by 5. This is one 6 problems I solved today. So in the next class I am going to solve 7, 8, 9, 10 problem, even the next exercise also. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.